Guys, first time ko magkaroon. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Aqua Plus gave me something. And it's their new product. Oh my god, I hope it's blue! I mean, mukha naman siyang blue. And we have this one. Okay, wait. It's Quench. Yung ganon na tumbler. Hello! Oh my god, I'm so happy! Wait, it's kinda greenish, but still, parang... Guys, first time ko magkaroon. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! First time ko magkaroon ng gantong klaseng tumbler. Oh my god! Guys, alam nyo ba? Lahat ng tumbler ko ay gift or bigay. Like, hinihintay ko lang tuwing Christmas or may magbibigay lang sa akin. And ngayon, meron na naman sa akin nagbigay. I'm so happy. And it's color blue. I mean, it's color blue, green. Yeah, that's perfect. First time ko magkaroon ng gantong variant. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm a gym girly. Look at this pop-up straw. Whoa. Anyway, it's leak-proof, definitely. I feel like naman leak-proof to. I'm so happy with the color. Ang dami niyang laman! Promise. Kahit di ko pa siya na-try, this is totally leak-proof. Kasi why would they release something like this na naka-close kung hindi leak-proof, diba? It just makes sense. I'm so happy with this. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so happy with this one. Okay, now let's try to open this. Wow. Wow, ang classy niya, no? Ang classy niya. Ganda. Ganda pa rin. Mas gusto ko to, syempre. Color blue eh. Color bluish green. May hint of blue. Tapos yung handle niya light blue. I like it! I like this very much. I like this very much. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to use it. Mamaya. Oh my god!